Hi pilots, hello, home here from WWII in the Republic of Korea. Today I'm gonna unbox the Avionic Albatross Hu-16, the seaplane. Let's open the box. Okay. The wingspan is 1,600 millimeters and twin propeller airplane. And there are two kinds of trims, the white and red, and the other one is this one. Okay. This is the wing float. Wing is separate. 3 pieces. The first one is the center part. There are 2 engines here. Left wing parts. Right wing parts here. Yeah, some bolts is not packed. I have to check out the. What is that? This is the propeller spinner here. I'm not sure what it is. Looks like a wing connector here, like this. One more is here. I think I'm gonna get some problem because the parts is not packed. So I found 2 bolts here. It seems to be the wing bolt here, but I need one more. This is the horizon tail wing. 2 flops here. The tail wing stabilizer and the fuselage. You know, the parts is not packed. Can get some problem when I assemble this airplane. I think these old bolts here, but I think I need this one more. That's all. Oh, I found one more. Every bolt is spread out in the box, so one more here. Alright pilots, this is all of the parts. I was a little surprised because these important parts, the boards and something like that, is not packed in the box. So anyway, I think everything is founded. And I am wonder this is only one. Well, I'm not sure. Well, anyway, I will assemble right now, and this airplane made by WWII in the Hobby King, and this model is Grumman, the Grumman Hu-16 the Albatross. The wingspan is 1,600 millimeters, and it's this here is the dummy, so I cannot taxiing or take off and landing on the ground, just use for the water. First, this is the battery bay here, and 4-cell battery like this, and I can install one more thing, I think. I'm not sure, but anyway, this is the battery for this airplane, and I will assemble this vertical tailwheel first. First, I will assemble the horizontal stabilizer here, the vertical tailwheel here. Assemble first. Check the cable colors. Okay. Brown, brown, and brown. Okay. I need some orange here and here. Alright, I finished the assembly. There are two bolts here to fix the vertical vertical tailwheel. This one, and there are one more bolt to fix these parts. There is no adhesive required. There's no manual, so I should find the manual in the manual links. Fortunately, there are manuals, so you have to bondage here for the vertical wing and the horizon wing, and after the adhesive, they install the tail wings and fix the two bolts here and one short bolt here to fix these connectors. And then I go to the next assembly, that is the main wings. Here. This is the main wing plus. No, the cable is very short. Anyway, I think we have to use the extension cable here, or install the receiver here. Let's go assemble. I installed the receiver here with the Velcro tapes using these two bolts. This is the wing bolt. And fasten the bolt here. Right. And wings. Connect the aileron here. Okay, and the lamp. And push the cable to the hole. Up and down. And this is the final wing bolt here. Okay, pilot, I dispatched the sample, the Hu-16 Avionic Albatross, the Hu-16 Roman airplane. That is the aileron, elevator rudder, and the flap, and even the control is okay. And especially this airplane has the reverse speed control. So there are 2 channels, but I didn't connect this reverse connect to the receiver. And after the maiden, I will check reverse system. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.